For today's demo, let's first list active network connections and filter for the ACARS decoder process to know if the setup shown in video has built an ACARS setup. Now, scan port 2202 on the local machine to check if it's open. Thereafter, this command displays the last 20 log entries for the ACARS decoder service, if any. As because there is no such service, let's move on to install a setup ACARS service. So, start with updating the system. First, install essential development tools and dependencies for ACARS decoding, like this. Then clone the libacars repository like this. Thereafter, build and install libacars, as shown in these set of commands. Secondly, install other essential development tools and dependencies for ACARS decoding, like this. Now, this command clones the acarsdec repository. Now, build and install acarsdec, as shown in these set of commands. After the above, clone the dumphfdl repository, as shown here. Now build and install dumphfdl, as shown in these set of commands. Unfortunately, dumphfdl2 needs another repo for its successful installation and build. So going back, now this command is for installing the required glib development libraries. Now, go back to the necessary directory and retry to build and install dumphfdl2 as shown in the following set of commands. Lastly, on the build and install side, this command install RTL-SDR tools for radio signal processing. Now, test the RTL-SDR device like this, which in this case is showing no devices as there is none. Thereafter, for setup, this command, if for creating the file as shown, for systemd service of ACARS decoding. Now, this command is to reload systemd configurations. Now, this command encapsulates and escapes special characters for systemd service parameters. This command starts the ACARS decoder service. This command enables the service to start on boot. Finally, this command checks the status of the ACARS decoder service. The service is without any RTL-SDR device. Similar to the earlier, new parameters with frequencies, ports, IPs can also be added or discarded like this with the set of commands as shown here. Ultimately, the commands shown here are for retrieving messages as shown in the other video in description box below. Unfortunately, these commands could not be demonstrated to work due to absence of RTL-SDR hardware. Anyways, for further development, one can refer to the guide, which is also made available in the description box. Hope this video was useful. If so, please do like the video and subscribe to this channel to get notified on any such videos in future. Thanks for watching.